Introduction: From Blog to Twitter.
Want to expand your blog's reach? Learn how to quickly turn blog articles into engaging tweets. This easy tutorial shows how ChatGPT can help create a series of social-ready tweets from any blog post, saving you time and amplifying your message on Twitter.
Step 1. Gather your blog content.
Start by selecting the blog post you want to repurpose. Copy the main text you'd like to share on Twitter. Aim for sections or key points, since tweets have character limits. Organize your content so it's ready for conversion.
Step 2. Craft a ChatGPT prompt.
Open ChatGPT and prepare your instructions. For example, type, "Turn this blog post into a series of concise tweets, each under 280 characters. Use informal, engaging language." Paste your selected blog text after your prompt.
Step 3. Review and edit the output.
And dash making TV character blogging on content to promote your page.
Step 4. Schedule and share your tweets.
Take your final tweets and schedule them using a social media tool, or post them directly to Twitter. Stagger the tweets over days or weeks to maintain steady engagement. Watch for responses and interact with your followers to boost visibility.
Tips for effective repurposing.
Keep each tweet focused on a single idea. Use clear calls to action, and don't forget to add relevant hashtags. Tag sources or authors when possible. And always link back to your original blog for interested readers.
Conclusion: save time and grow your audience.
Repurposing blog posts with ChatGPT is fast and efficient. With just a few steps, you can transform long articles into a Twitter thread, reach new audiences, and maximize your content's impact, all in less time.